Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a multi-purpose consulting and finance theme named as Business Lodge. So with the help of this theme you can literally create multiple finance or business consulting website, and the best part about this theme is that this theme consists of Elementor. So basically with the help of Elementor you can literally design any kind of page and you can edit anywhere throughout the website or throughout the web page. That makes so much flexible to design any kind of settings according to your need. As you can see, it consists of Elementor as well as a visual builder also, but the thing is Elementor are so much flexible when it comes to designing, so that your perspective will change totally. So let me show you the live preview what we are going to install on our website, so you can get a rough idea what we are going to deal with today, right? If you scroll down you will see multiple demo section which these people provide you, multiple home section basically. And if you click on any of these particular demo you will be able to see what are they offering exactly, right? And here it is, the whole website. We are going to import this on our domain. Okay, as you can scroll down you will see everything is so much aligned perfectly. And if you go to the shop section you will be able to see the custom shop which has been provided by this theme as well. Okay, so you get a rough idea that what we are going to deal today, isn't it? So we are going to install this particular whole demo on our domain. Let me show you which domain. I'm pretty sure it is a very fresh website. We are going to install it from the scratch to the ending. You are going to have fun. Okay, so this is my domain which is fresh installed WordPress right now. So first of all we need to download this theme. You can always download it from here or you can get it from anywhere, whatever you like to do. I would suggest get it from here or get it from any kind of GPL website. That would be really great. Okay, so once you have the theme downloaded on your system, you just need to come to your WordPress website and log into the backend. If you don't know how to log into your backend, it's pretty simple. You just need to type WP admin and you will be redirected to a dashboard. Okay, and once you are redirected, our next step is to install the theme. So basically if you are logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have put while you were installing WordPress. So just put that and you will be redirected here. This is the backend of our website. So here we are going to play with the settings of our website, like changing the theme, adding some plugin, changing some settings, right? Let me give you a quick brief description what we have on the left hand side. Under the setting hood you will find general settings, writing settings, reading setting, and you can set up the permalink, basically structure of the URL, how you want your URL to look like, right? Okay, so under the tool section you will be able to check the import tool, export tool, site health. You can check your site health. So under the user section, with the help of users you will be able to create multiple user and assign them different role. Like you want more than 2 admin, you can assign and create new user, assign them as an admin role, right? So you can do that here as well. Okay, under the plugin section, with the help of plugin you can extend the functionality of your WordPress website. So basically if you want to add any kind of form, like forms in your website, you can add any of the plugin which with the help of which you can create form with super easy steps. And under the appearance hood you will find a theme, customize your theme, add widget, you can create your menu and everything. So post, you can create post, media, you can add media, pages, you can create pages. Here you can see what are the comments going through your website. So today we are going to deal with the appearance section. Under the appearance hood we have to click on themes. So as you can see I have already uploaded that business launch theme, but I will show you how you can upload your theme on a very perfect manner. You have to click on add new, and here you will see by default WordPress provide you n numbers of free themes. As you can see there are over 4,000 free theme which has been provided by WordPress. But the thing is there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme, right? So generally free theme are not that much flexible when it comes to designing, because free theme conversion rates are also pretty low when it comes to AdSense. So I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of money to invest in the initial stage of your business, always go and invest that particular money in a good theme, right? Because with the help of good theme you will get a high conversion rate on your website, so that you can get a return on the revenue when it comes to AdSense money perspective. Okay, hope you get my point. So we have to upload our theme. Click on upload and we will select the file where it is located. If I'm not sure, it's located here. I'll install now. The installation process totally depend upon your internet. I'll just cancel it because I have already uploaded the file. I will just go and activate it. Super simple, isn't that? Okay, so once it is activated, now it is asking us to install some recommended plugins. So basically what are recommended plugins? a theme consists of multiple functionality, and each and every functionality totally depend upon some kind of plugin. Okay, and if that particular plugin is missing out from a theme file, then particular function won't work properly on your website. For example, if there is a slider in your theme and there is no plugin for the slider, then your slider won't work properly. Okay, hope you get my point. We have to click on install and activate. Click on bulk action. I will just activate because I have already installed it, but I personally prefer never activate from this section. It take too much of time. Always go to the plugin and install now, and it bulk action activate, and it will start activating all of the themes. I mean plugin. It will take like couple of seconds if I'm not wrong. Just wait for it. As you can see, everything has been activated successfully. I will click on dashboard and let's see how our website looks right now. I will close the rest of the page. Okay, as you can see our website, let's visit our website. It looks something like this. It's nothing much of a fancy, ugly looking footer, ugly looking header, no content at all. So we are going to import the content. Let's see where it is located. Under the business launch section there is a demo import. Okay, click on this demo import button and you will see here there is option select all. You have to import all the content. And which page builder do you want? Generally prefer Elementor, because with the help of visual builder you will face much of a problem, because visual builder is not that much of what should I say, capable of designing. I generally prefer you to go for the Elementor because that is very easy for everybody. Okay, click on start importing and this will take like couple of minutes. Just go and grab your coffee and it will be completed like within couple of minutes. We'll wait for it. As you can see, import has been completed successfully. Let us see how our website looks right now. I'm pretty sure it must be looking amazing. Okay, so I'll just click on visit our website. So as you can see, this is not perfectly aligned, but I'm sure all the pages has been imported successfully. If I go to the home page one section, then you will see the home page which has been designed default by the theme is organized in a well fashioned manner. As you can see, this is the slider which is looking really amazing, and if you scroll down you will see other sections also, right? These are some good looking amazing section, and the footer is aligned also perfectly. And the best part about it, if you scroll if you see in the mobile view, this will look amazing in the mobile view as well, right? If you can see, the slider is looking really amazing in the mobile view as well. Okay, and if you try to visit other pages you will be shocked that other pages are also well aligned. About us. Okay, let's see how our about us look like. And if I'm not wrong, it is pretty good, right? It is like basic about us, but it's looking so nice. If I'm not wrong, as you can see, this section looks amazing, and there's a chemical consulting and everything is perfectly aligned. And you can see there is a sticky header as well on our website. With the help of sticky header you can just locate your anything, right? So I hope you get a real rough idea how this particular theme works. According to me, if you are having a business and you want to open your own website online presence, right, this is the perfect theme for you. And I hope you really like this video. I want to wrap this video up right now. If you really like this video, just give it a big fat thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one.